What's up, y'all? Welcome back to Who's That Girl TV with your girl Danny K. And the way how my Danny baby's doing on this beautiful day, and I am back with yet another masterpiece.
They wanna know who's that girl. Come on.
What's up, y'all? I am back. Welcome to my channel. Thank you for tuning in to my channel. Thank you. It's been a minute since I posted a video. It's been like almost 2 weeks, but I had a rough 2 weeks, but I'm back and I am better, and I'm just grateful that I am here. So today I am, well, y'all see what y'all see for the title. I'm nervous, y'all. I'm really nervous. I'm really nervous, so bear with me. Today, okay guys, seriously, so I'm getting straight to the point. Like, I'm nervous. So I started a new hair journey, as you guys see from the title and my thumbnail. You already know what it is. I started the lock journey 2 weeks ago. Today is my 2 weeks anniversary, and I am excited. I want to show you guys my hair, but I don't, because my hair look crazy. My hair look real crazy because I'm still waiting for my products to do my hair. Like, I have no products, and with this whole quarantine, the beauty supply store is closed, so I have to order online, and it be taking a long time for the shipment to get here because of the whole quarantine thing. So let's talk about why I decided to twist my hair and lock it. I've always wanted my hair locked. If you know me, you know I change my hair like every week. I have a new hairstyle. Like, I'm changing my hair from blowouts to a natural puff to different natural hairstyles to wigs to sew-ins to braids to faux locks to passion twists. Like, I am always doing something to my hair and dyeing it different colors, and that kind of like stopped me from locking my hair. I had wanted to lock my hair since like 2016, but I've always been like, I want my hair locked. I think it's cute, but I also want to experiment with my hair. I want to be able to do this style and that style and that style. And back then, I didn't really like look at it, oh, you can still get that style with locks, like, you know. So just like, I felt like locks would limit me from getting like different hairstyles. And you know, as locks became more popular, a lot more people are getting locks. I see people like doing different hairstyles with their locks, wearing wigs with their locks, braiding their hair with weave with their locks, and doing all these extra stuff with their locks. And I'm just like, oh, I can do that. Like, yes, I can do it. So now, like, once locks started becoming more popular and people around me that I know started getting locks, and I'm like seeing their whole process and their growth and all of that, I'm just like, okay, yeah, it's time. And then even then, like, I'm just like second guessing, like, I don't know if I'm ready. Like, it's just like, when I change my natural hair, it's just like it's a journey for myself. Like, from me starting back when I first went natural to like now, like, my natural hair is a part of my life journey. Like, literally, when it comes down to my hair, it's very emotional, spiritual, mental for myself, you know. So like 2-3 years ago, I shaved all my hair off and started over. Like, I cut all my hair off, and I did that because, like, not because I wanted to do it and because it was trending, but more importantly because I was starting a new chapter in my life. I just graduated grad school. I moved from Savannah, Georgia to New York. So I thought that me cutting off all of my hair just meant new beginnings. Like, I'm starting all over again. Like, school is over. No more school for me. It's all about me taking control of this adult life that I'm about to enter, like starting this new chapter in my life. That was the whole purpose of me shaving all of my hair off. And from then, like, I've been like getting different haircuts, trying out different hairstyles, growing my hair out, cutting it, like just doing different things with my hair. And now 3 years later, I just feel like it's time for me to do something different. Before the quarantine, I said I had already made up my mind that I want locks. I'm gonna get it because, you know, I am getting older and I am more busy now, like with my life, career, working and stuff like that. So I really don't be having the energy to do my hair. And I do my own hair. Let's put that out there. I do my own hair. So like all the braids that you see me with, the wigs, all that, I do my hair myself. I just don't be having the energy all the time to do my hair. and I just became like very lazy when it come down to my hair. Like usually before I would put braids in, I'm losing my braids out a week or 2 weeks in. Like literally I would do single braids, loose it out a week or 2 weeks. Lately when I be doing my hair, like doing braids and stuff like that, it be in for months plus, almost 2 months. Like that's how lazy I've gotten. So I decided like this is like the perfect time for me to like go ahead and lock my hair. Yeah, so just like me stepping into new opportunities and just flourishing as a person, as a woman, as a businesswoman, spiritually, mentally, and physically, just growing and just being a queen and a goddess, you feel me? I feel like it's the perfect time for me to lock my hair. And on top of that, we on quarantine, and baby, what am I gonna do? I have no desire to do my hair on quarantine. Like, it's like I'm not going nowhere. I'm in the house all day. Only place I go is to the grocery store. That's it. Like I literally go to the grocery store, come home, and that's probably like once or twice, once a week or once every 2 weeks. Like I be in the house all day. Don't nobody see me but on Snapchat or Instagram. And then I just throw my wig on. What's under here, baby? I'ma show y'all, but I don't need y'all to laugh at me, okay? Do not laugh, okay? But yeah, that's the reason why I decided to lock my hair. I really believe that this journey is going to teach me patience, because that is something that I am lacking. You know, I have zero tolerance to patience. Like I am very impatient. I want something done. I want something done now. I want to do this and I want to do this now. I want to go this place and I want to go that place now. So between this quarantine and me locking my hair, it's definitely going to teach me patience. Like after this quarantine, once my hair locked, I'm going to definitely see a growth within myself. Yeah, I'm gonna show you guys my hair, and I'm gonna just try to fix my hair up because it looks crazy. I didn't touch my hair in 2 weeks. My hair is dry and brittle. I have no hair products. Like all I have is conditioner and shampoo. I don't have no oils, no nothing. Like I have nothing. So don't laugh. So this is my hair. Really crazy. Oh yeah. So I have my side shaved. So I'm trying to grow my sides out. This is going to be the ugly stage of this whole process. It's like trying to grow my sides out. I don't even know, because like every time I look at my hair, I'm just gonna cut it all off and start over, because my sides look cute, but then it's like I don't want to, because my locks, my twists or whatever, it's growing a lot. I can see the new growth. Up, yo, I'm back, guys. So I had to tie my hair down, lay the edges down, whatever. So I'm about to take this off so we can see what are we working with. Just like that. I'm gonna finish style it. So we'll put this down like that. Yeah, I'm trying to figure out like how I want to do this, because this should be like that. Because I'm trying to do like this side. I just like do this, but my hair won't stay down. I'm gonna have to like pin it down. But the shrinkage is real. The shrinkage. Get that. Oops. You see that? Stop playing with me. Stop playing with me. Stop playing with me. Okay. Let me tell you, I don't know how the back of look. The back of my hair look. Oh gosh. The back of my hair look crazy. Ooh. I'm gonna try to cut it myself. If I look it up. Oh well, I'm not going nowhere. It'll grow back, right? It'll grow back, right? So I'm just gonna use some toner. This is tea tree oil, aloe vera, and lavender oil, and peppermint oil on my back because I don't have alcohol or anything. Child, that is gonna do for right now because I ain't got time. That's it. I don't got time to be playing with the back of my hair. It looks better than what it was looking because it looked a hot mess. It still look a hot mess, but it don't look a hot mess. Like it looks a mess. It looks a hot mess, but it doesn't look a hot mess like it was looking before a hot mess. You get what I'm saying? Good. If you don't, then good. I don't know. I'm just over it, okay? My hair's gonna be styled like this for a while until the sides grow out. I'm gonna I bought me some Kanekalon hair, so I'm gonna like twist it so it can blend in with my regular hair. So once I get that in the mail, then I'll be able to like twist the side of my hair to make the kinky twist hair look blend in with my real hair. But until then, this is how my hair is gonna look. I'm not going nowhere. Only place I'm going is to Instagram, YouTube, Snapchat, and Zoom. That's the only place I'm going. So I don't gotta worry about going out, stepping out, worry about how I look. Push come to shove, I can always throw my wig on and call it a day. I am so excited about this new journey. I'm so excited about my hair. I can't wait till it starts to lock. This is about to be like the longest process ever because my hair is so soft and like some of them is like already unraveling. I'm just like really like learning how to like manage my hair like this. My next video will be on me retwisting my hair. Once I get my products, I am going to retwist my locks. This will be my first time retwisting it, so I'm pretty excited about that. I haven't been on YouTube in so long and I don't want to leave, but I gotta go. I got things to do. I got work to do, and I'm working on some other things. Yeah, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and press that post notification bell so you can stay updated on all my new videos and so that you don't miss a beat. Okay, thank you for tuning in to Who's That Girl TV with your girl Danny K. Ain't no other way. All my Danny babies, have a beautiful day. Until next time, my loves, peace, love, and blessings.
While we roll the tree, it's been Parmesan, widen our